This 2023 Grand Design Solitude is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, water heater, refrigerator, skylight, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, TV, microwave, awning, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features loft, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude is 15,304 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.